Hi, my name is Kit Lee, and we are the Alumnium Alumni.
You may be wondering how we use aluminum. Well, in order to find out how we utilize the element, you must first have a clear idea of what aluminum really is.
Many of us are surprised to know that aluminum is the most abundant metal on the Earth's crust and the third most abundant element next to oxygen and silicon. Well, don't be. Because we use it all the time. Cooking pans, tire rims, pop cans, aluminum is everywhere around us. Moving on to the scientific background of the element. Aluminum is the 13th element on the periodic table. It was discovered in 1787, yet the metal was not extracted and manufactured until 1825. Aluminum has a low density, is lustrous, ductile, a fair conductor, as well as extremely malleable, which is why it's used to be wrapped around foods, helping them retain their temperature. Aluminum is much more stable than any other metals, such as sodium and calcium. And that's mainly why it's used in everyday life. We may not realize it, but aluminum is important to us.
You now understand what aluminum is and where it is around you, but one very interesting thing you don't know is how it can affect you socially and the environment around you.
Despite everything great about aluminum, like its superior malleability and thermal conductivity, it has some negative effects. The whole process of turning bauxite, a clayey rock, into aluminum is very energy excessive. Tons of electricity, water, and other resources are required during the process, taking away from those useful items for other purposes in the economy. When bauxite is extracted from the earth through the operation of strip mining, soil erosion occurs and a loss of habitat and food for wildlife. Greenhouse gases released during smelting and strip mining include carbon dioxide, perfluorocarbons, sodium, fluorine, sulfur dioxide, and many more. Particles are also released during the process of aluminum, including limestone, bauxite dust, aluminium, and sodium sulfate. They are all, in fact, known to compromise air quality. Aluminum products will be useful and convenient to use. However, you should always think about what it does to our environment and how it affects us.
You know a lot about aluminum, what it is, the element's social and environmental impacts. However, you may be asking yourself if the metal has any Canadian connection. The answer? Yes.
The aluminum industry has become quite large in Canada. It all started in 1901 and has only grown ever since. As of today, Canada produces about 6% of aluminum worldwide, making it the fourth largest country in aluminum production. Where exactly in Canada is aluminum produced? There is one plant in British Columbia and 9 in Quebec. As of 2015, these plants produce over 2.8 million tons of aluminum. A large amount of the element's production was used in the aerospace industry. Most airplanes are made of aluminum, especially those in Canada's military fighter jets used in wars, with strong aluminum alloy frame, creating the jet's structure. The aluminum industry also generates about 30,000 jobs for our economy, 10,000 direct jobs in primary aluminum production. Believe it or not, aluminum is important to the Canadian economy, and it's critical to recycle it appropriately and never waste any product made from it.
So there it is, your aluminum lesson for the day. I hope you learned as much as we did. And remember to never waste aluminum and recycle it.
Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold enough to chill my bones? It feels like I don't know you anymore.